Genialcloud is the Avantune solution for the Industry 4.0 company, a modern management platform that allows to manage processes, people, and data. Genialcloud is a genuine collection of business solutions, including business management, purchasing and sales cycle, warehouse, production, cost control, accounting, electronic document management and storage, electronic invoicing, project and file sharing, workflow design and monitoring, data analysis for a better understanding of scenarios and a better response to market and customer demand. Accessible through an internet connection from any browser and any device, it can be configured in self-service mode and ensures users access to company resources and full operability from any location. It is designed to reduce infrastructure and maintenance costs. Genialcloud interprets the Industry 4.0 paradigm perfectly and is conceived as a support tool for the digital evolution of companies wishing to increase their productivity and thus be competitive in the scenario of the new digital era, focusing on their business and freeing themselves from the technological complexity. Manufacturing sector is one of the most effective vertical sectors in which the implementation of Genialcloud generates significant added value, as evidenced by the many customers who have chosen Genialcloud. It supports the management of bill of materials or BOMs and cycles for the various production items, and thanks to the special planning module, supports MRP, MRP2 and MPS algorithms aimed at optimizing the entire management production cycle of manufacturing companies. This also allows the management of the costing of production articles and the optimization of the management system of supplies of raw or semi-finished materials, avoiding the stocking of materials and guaranteeing greater economic and financial efficiency in the passive purchasing cycle. Genialcloud supports advanced logistics scenarios and the optimization of the loading and unloading flows of production warehouses and the shipping of finished articles, with an integrated management that, starting from sales orders, determines through MRP, material requirement planning, the requirements of raw materials or semi-finished products to produce the sales articles ordered by customers. A distinctive feature of Genialcloud's artificial intelligence is also the ATP available to promise check at the time of the sales order. In practice, on the basis of the sales item and what has been ordered by the customer, the algorithm checks all the company processes in real time and confirms the first useful delivery date to the customer. Genialcloud significantly supports companies operating in the services sector, from the management, administration, and dynamic control of the life cycle of orders to that of service contracts, to the management and automation of processes thanks to organizational workflow models. Genialcloud is the decisive digital resource for the optimization of service delivery processes, for cost control, and therefore for making companies more efficient in the challenge of competition in the digital and global era. Productivity, increased sales, customer loyalty are the business objectives of every large company, which often has to organize itself to define business activities, create teams, and measure results. ERP systems, in this sense, play a key role in the management of data and activities carried out daily by each company, such as accounting operations, human resources management, logistics to offer customers better products and experiences. Genialcloud Proj is an integrated solution of all business processes available both in cloud and on-premise, which includes interconnected modules for the management of production, inventory, accounting, logistics, warehouse, sales, customers, and human resources. Integrated management of business processes with a single solution brings significant benefits. A 360-degree view of customers and leads, greater mobility and faster access to information, lower IT overheads, better collaboration between offices, and optimized supply chains. Genialcloud supports marketing, monitors sales activities, and automates customer service to strengthen customer relationships. In the era of big data, large companies are often unable to plan strategies and make useful decisions due to a disproportionate amount of data. In this scenario, business intelligence is a dominant factor because it helps companies in decision-making processes, organization. Genialcloud Analysis is Avantune's solution for business analytics, a web tool available both on-premise and in cloud, which allows to identify, interpret, and share significant business information. An application within everyone's reach that, thanks to its easy use, provides innovative data analysis functions and allows an accurate view of business trends in real time, thanks to the possibility of connecting to any data source. Genialcloud Analysis implements an effective decision-making. Entrepreneurs monitor and examine sales data, production data, data from marketing actions, thanks to advanced reporting to make accurate decisions and to guide the business decision-making process in line with the objectives and corporate initiatives. In addition, with artificial intelligence algorithms, Genialcloud Analysis can predict results and improve business performance. Digitization, document storage, and sharing are just a few elements that represent the potential of Genialcloud Facsys. Genialcloud Facsys, available on private, public, and on-premise clouds, eliminates paper and space costs, such as offices and archives, and brings efficiency to business operations by digitally scanning and converting documents, and increases information security and manages replacement storage. Genialcloud Facsys allows creating automated rules to validate and perform targeted actions on documents, such as metadata capture, document classification, and electronic digital signatures. The innovative integrated workflow tool enables managing approval and collaboration processes across your organization. The objective of the workflow solution is to automate a business process involving multiple users and interact with other processes. Every business in this era of digital transformation is reorganizing its processes and activities. With the Genialcloud platform, we at Avantune can support you in redesigning your organizational models for innovative business management. Genialcloud, simply genius.